Hi, so I want to take you through my Crescent series, which requires a lot of focus. It certainly requires strength, but mainly, and if we were to tie this into the Ayurveda that we talked about, this is the mental clarity. This is being in your breath and focusing on something that isn't moving. So go ahead and pay attention or join me. Get on your mat. Let's give it a try. So we'll start in down dog. Right leg comes high. Step it through. Low lunge. Drop your back knee. Inhale, Anjalayasana. Fingertips go all the way up, all the way back. Sink it a little bit lower. Send your right arm back. Feel this twist, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Bring your elbow on the outside and come into your prayer hands. Take a breath in. Take a breath out. Back knee comes up. Crescent prayer twist. Stay here for a couple breaths. Steady your gaze. One more breath in. Last breath out. Inhale, Crescent. Back leg is straight, pushing off the ball mount of your back foot. Sink it a little bit lower. Hips are square. Find your here. Take your low back out of this. Legs are strong. Inhale, prayer hands, pushing off your back foot. Warrior three. Hands come to the floor. Half moon. Pushing through your heel. Low belly is in. One more breath in. Reaching for the ceiling. Top hand comes down. Square your hips. Standing half split. Let your head hang heavy. One more big breath. Rise up nice and slow, bending your front knee. One-legged Tadasana. Steady your gaze. Left hand to left knee or toe. Open left. Gaze right. Coming back to center, holding strong, pressing firmly through your standing leg. Warrior three. Hands come down, low lunge. Right foot all the way up and back on your tippy toes, hinging forward, low push-up. Inhale. Exhale. Breath in. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. Left leg reaches up, reaches back. Low lunge. Drop your back knee. Anjalayasana. Breathe it out. Inhale, reach up. Send your left arm back. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and prepare for twist. Elbow comes down on the outside of your left knee. Prayer hands. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Curl your toes under. Back knee comes up. Steady your gaze. Again, find your glutes. Back leg is straight and stay with your breath. Let's do one more big breath in. Last breath out. Inhale, crescent. Sink it a little bit lower. Back leg is straight. So you're pushing off the ball mount of your back foot. Relax your shoulders. Take your low back out of this. Find your glutes. Take a exhale, prayer hands, warrior 3. Take your time. Pushing through your back heel, finding your glutes. Hands come down. Half moon. Flex your toes. Gaze can be up, gaze can be down. Take one more inhale, reach it. Exhale, hand comes down. Standing half split. Square your hips, take a breath in. Fold. Gently and slowly, rising up to a one-legged Tadasana, bending that front knee. Right hand, right knee, or toe. Find your balance. Open right. Gaze left. Slowly coming back to center. One-legged. Airplane arms, warrior 3. Triceps are strong here. Pushing through that back heel. Gently bringing your hands down. Coming back to your low lunge. Left leg all the way up and back. Hinging forward. Low push-up. Big breath in. Big breath out. Inhale. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if you could see, I was doing a lot of shaking because it's a tough practice. So you stay in your breath and you do your very best. You check in with where you are on your mat at that moment. And that's all that really matters. So just show up and give us a try. Namaste.